Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my hotel room, and it's gonna be a very short video, but I figured I haven't posted anything in a while and this is pretty interesting, I think. Plus it's a beautiful room, so stay tuned to see my hotel room. So this is the door, this is where you come from, and when you come in, the first thing you see is the bathroom. Now when I came in here, I was pretty surprised. It's a really nice bathroom. I really love the lights on the mirrors because you can literally see everything. You can see every pore, you can see every stash hair. You can see everything on my face. It's such good lighting, especially to do your makeup. And yeah, so this is what the bathroom looks like. This is the shower. Pretty nice, pretty sleek looking bathroom if you ask me. And then once you go right across from the bathroom, you have your, why does this look zoomed in? You have your closet. So when I open the closet, it's a pretty big closet. Like, I really don't need all this space, but there's extra pillows up there. There's your iron, and there's even another full-length mirror here. Hi. So that's your closet, which I'm not gonna use. But then you have your room. And I'm sorry for the mess, but honestly, I got here and I threw everything. But you have two beds, which is pretty standard of a lot of hotels. You have your lamp, and when you turn over here, you have this beautiful TV in which you could watch Netflix, which is pretty cool. You have this nice little lamp right here. The thing I don't like about hotels is that there's no lights in the ceilings, just that one. But right here, there's no lights, you only have the lamps. But that's just me, I need light. So you have the two beds, and then we're gonna go to the best part of the entire hotel, and that is the view. So are you guys ready for this? This is my view for my hotel, and it is so beautiful. Okay guys, I keep hearing shit. I'm not even kidding, like I keep hearing stuff. Okay, anyway, I need to grow up. Anyway, so this is the view. It is so beautiful. And then, I don't know if this building is like a hotel, but people were chilling right there. I wish I could go there. But this is the view, and this is basically my hotel room. And it even has this nice wallpaper right here. And yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a pretty short video because it's just a room. It's a hotel room, but I thought it would be really nice to show you guys. What am I doing with my hand? I'm like, I'd be really I hope you guys enjoyed this very short video. Please leave any suggestions of anything you guys want to see. I bought a new camera, as you can see. This is the Canon T7i. So now I can make quality videos for you guys. So just let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.